If this is Jeff Immelt's GE, when do we see the new GE after his exit?
Good morning, Tom. I think that'll show up this fall, in terms of John's new blueprint. And I don't think we're talking about changing structurally the company in a many major way, but we're going to definitely work to, reset expectations that were probably a bit more aspirational than intended when originally set for 2018. And I think we're also going to have a clear line of sight to getting, this company's cash flow from operating activities back to $20 billion by the end of the decade.
I look at the press release and it reminds me of IBM and their financial engineering heyday. Is General Electric financial engineering, or is there real meat to the cash flow and the distribution to shareholders?
No, there was a structural, return to the industrial roots, and in the process, there was a confluence of many things that ultimately drained a lot of cash, whether it was a simultaneous introduction of new products, whether it was contract asset investments to convert to performance maintenance contracts for all of the Alstom energy service of their installed base, sharply higher cash pension contributions, much higher than anticipated spending over GE Digital, and the emergence of an excessive reliance this year on, share repurchase. And I think these will all be addressed and sorted out. And in the process, there might be some adjustments to the portfolio of GE.
Nick, I was looking, speaking of adjustments, right? This month, GE closed a deal to combine the divisions with Baker Hughes. Now, this, I imagine, is to try and broaden their product offerings. Are we going to see more deals like that in the future?
I think this gives them what they need. GE touched about 2 or 3 of the North American upstream independents, and Baker Hughes touches 9. And the fact is that 2 of the next 2 major waves of improvement for return on invested capital, outsourcing of service, and predictive seismics to dramatically further increase the output of wells, GE has now, and now it has access to customers that need that.